Next one up on the multi-tools, another Gerber here. Comes with this case. I don't know if this is not mine, this is Clive's again. I don't know if he paid extra for that or if that came with it. Unsure about that one. Pulls out that way. See, tell it's not mine because I've only got this today to actually play with. Right. I see, it's a little spring there. Right, so again we have a one that pops up, very smooth. Let's have a look. I think I prefer this one. It's not spring loaded, but it does have more useful tools in here. I did go over this, which is you can have a saw on that one, and he did let me borrow some extra saws to use, so you can use that. Then you got your little bottle opener. You got your Phillips there. Yeah, you got a file. Let's see what else we got. Oh, scissors. That one there. Again, the other ones I showed that I own, you can tell why they were inspired by these. This would be another one. I think I do prefer this one. It has more tools. I think it has too many flatheads though for one thing. I don't know, it's just my opinion on that. But again, very nice, seems well made. That down. And then that one just goes that way. Very nice. Let me know what you think. Another Gerber product. Again, replaceable blades. Thanks guys. Catch you next video. Bye.